to get down at.
Okay.
Like I said, I just got off the meter. You can probably smell them.
You're good.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
It's two DC Audio level 4 15s on a Taramps Smart 3K and a Q-Bomb XL.
Okay.
And then the mids and highs is a Taramps 440x4.
Okay.
On the doors are the two 8-inch DC Audio, or not DC Audio, DS18 Pros.
Yep. Okay. Very nice.
It don't do much on the meter. I think it meters at this one meters at right at 146. Not nearly what it should be doing. But a lot of that has got to do with that little Q-Bomb box that I got.
What does this one peak at?
I think it peaks at like 2,700 watts.
Okay.
Somewhere around there.
Yep.
Last time we clipped it.
Alright. a little higher, but
Yeah,
it still sounds good.
I think it's 2758. I think the box peaks out. I get what you were asking now. It peaks out, I think, at
43 hertz, something around there.
About 44.
44.
Where I can really get down at. But
Okay.
like I said, I just got off the meter. You can probably smell them.
You're good. Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
Yeah. It ain't 415s in a wall.
It sounds good for a daily driver. Are you driving slot?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's eventually in plans is to take the back glass out, put a camper shell, and get 2 more of these.
Oh wow.
And run an 8K.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
You too.
Good job. You want to see?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.